friends, welcome to the Mavi Investor educational video series. How are you doing? Hope you're having great time trading in the markets. Market is excellent, right? So you should be having fun with stocks. Okay, so in terms of stock analysis for this month, I'm going to talk about, I have chosen a couple of stocks, DLF and Ashoka Buildcon, which there is a reason, not only because of technicals but also because of the fundamentals of the overall market, as well as the themes which are going on based on the union budget which was just presented, right? So let's straight away go to our charts and we'll talk about everything. Okay, so let's open DLF. This DLF chart. Okay, the reason I have chosen DLF is that it's part of the reality theme, right? Real estate sector, which is seeing a good turnaround, and many of you would think that DLF has gone, too much up. Why do we choose DLF, and why should we buy it at this stage? There is a reason, and this one is more for longer term. This is not for immediate short-term kind of trade, but if you have like multi-year kind of view, 1-2 years at least kind of view, then definitely this has big potential. And because we are talking about long term, let me go to monthly chart. Okay, we normally I don't see monthly chart so much, but DLF is so interesting right now in monthly chart. Okay, you can see although you will feel DLF has gone up a lot, it's actually lying low in the monthly chart. Okay, so there is immense potential, and you can see the consolidation in the form of a bullish head and shoulder, right? This whole thing, if you see, this is the bullish head and shoulder shape. Recently, last 1-2 months, it has come out of that zone. We can see the volume also here. Let's see, restore. Yeah, the volume here is big, and this is, remember, this is monthly chart I'm talking about. Okay, so it's a huge deal. It's a huge deal, this breakout, and with this kind of volume in the recent months. Okay, it's a huge deal, and if you are interested to invest in DLF in a reality sector, this is the stock. And whether you should choose reality sector or not, why not? It is trending up. Budget has enough money to be spent in this area as well. There are lots of support. Government is always focusing. Every year they focus on housing, this year also, but this year real estate sector is now finally looking like coming out of a multi-year consolidation, right? What am I doing? Okay, sorry. Okay, so in terms of timeline, you can see last dip here was in 2009 at the lowest point, the bottom. So ever since 2009, you can see it has never come out nicely out of it. Okay, so it is kind of seen a 10-year consolidation, DLF. Okay, and now coming out of it. Go to weekly chart, you will see the same, but will be wider, right? And in daily chart, you don't see that. That's why it is very important that you see it in the higher time frame chart. Okay, now interesting thing in daily chart, you can see after the breakout. So these two candles are the breakout zone out of that multi-year consolidation I talked about. But when it dropped, right, it took a very good support at that line, at this horizontal line. It looks horizontal now. This is the neckline for the monthly bullish head and shoulder. Such a good support it has taken from there. Okay, so it has confirmed you. This was your opportunity to buy at this level. Okay, so this was the right time, this particular day, when it was bouncing again on 28 January, 29 January and all. Okay, now in correction you can buy if you have a short-term view around this level, but if you have long-term view, no need to time it so much. You can just buy or accumulate in 2-3 installments. Okay, so that's DLF. Other one is Ashoka Buildcon. I don't have to say why Ashoka Buildcon. As I said, this is based on government's focus expressed in the budget. So this is one of the road construction companies, listed company we have, Ashoka Buildcon, right? You can see this is daily chart. It was trading nicely in this channel, this parallel channel. Then recently, then it stopped here in the form of a symmetrical triangle. It's a very good one to consolidate, right? Again, we should see the volume, and now it has come out of the symmetrical triangle. See the volume here, awesome volume towers in recent days when it was coming out of this symmetrical triangle. So in summary, I can say it was uptrending, then stopped for 2-3 months, now broken out after budget with big thrust, big volume. Even today, now next trading dates, it's okay, you're not very late. Ideally we would have bought here around just below 100, but now it's 104 rupees. It's okay. The price target which we have, based on the chart is quite big, so you can easily make 20-25% even you buy it now. Okay, so that's our Ashoka Buildcon, our second idea. Okay, so that is it for today on stock analysis. Keep trading, be confident. If you are confused about overall market condition, look at my other video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. You'll get right confidence and pick your right stocks and keep trading. Enjoy this kind of uptrend. Don't come again and again in your life. All right, so till then, so see you next time in the next video next month. Okay, if you want to visit my website www.myvinvestor.com. Okay, if you're interested in my monthly journal Stocks Nahita, you can put me a request. Okay, see you next time next month. Till then, goodbye.